This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the bad actors were able to demolish GME yesterday, and I'm going to tell you guys something. This is just the bad actors, in my opinion, doubling and tripling down on the criminality because they know there are no consequences to their actions. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm just telling you that this isn't because of the fundamentals. This isn't about supply and demand. They're trying to say, well, the market was red and then everybody started selling off because the Dow is down, the SPY is down, blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you guys something, and this is just my opinion. GME does not move by market sentiment. GME does not move because the CPI came in. Do you guys think that retail investors who own probably 5 times the float of GME and these new institutions that have been buying in recently, you think they saw the CPI data and started dumping their GME shares? They know that GME has nothing to do with market sentiment. GME has nothing to do with the CPI or QQQ or SPY or the Dow or anything like that. GME is a play on its own. The only thing similar to GME, in my opinion, is AMC. These are stocks that their movement has nothing to do with the broader market. Okay? Nothing to do with the broader market, in my opinion. And I'm not going to believe that retail investors started selling off their GME when the CPI report came in. Okay? That's absolute nonsense. What the bad actors do is when the market starts going bad or they get some kind of negative news or news that they can interpret as negative, they use it to double and triple down on the criminality because nobody's holding them accountable. Okay? They do what they want, when they want, with no real consequences. It's absolutely crazy to me what they're allowed to get away with. And the reason they get away with it, and you guys know it, because the majority of the people who are hurt by their illegal behavior is retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, here are the GME numbers. The volume ticking up because of, I believe, all the counterfeit sell options. The volume they're reporting is 16,714,499. You guys know that it means absolutely nothing because we really can't see what's really going on in the dog pools or the other exchanges they're using to manipulate the price of the stock. They're still claiming 26.78% as DRS. I believe that number is a whole lot higher. 31% of that volume was shorted shares. So somehow they found 5 million GME shares to short into the market to manipulate the price. Yet the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI don't want to ask where these shares coming from. Millions of shares appearing every single day out of thin air like a magic trick, and nobody's concerned about where these shares originate, where they're getting these unlimited shares from. It's absolutely crazy and would not be accepted in any other industry. And if somebody was engaging in this behavior and the 1%ers were losing money, it would not be tolerated. People would already be in handcuffs. But for some reason, because it's retail investors losing money, nobody seems to care. And the short exempt is the highest I've seen it in months, 91,404, which tells me that they are doubling and tripling down on the failure to deliver on the counterfeit shares. And everybody knows, the SEC knows, the DOJ knows, the FBI knows. They just refuse to do their job and protect the market and protect the laws of the United States of America. And of course, they're claiming they can cover all their GME short positions in 4.5 trading days. I mean, when it comes to the United States stock market, you have to leave your common sense at the door because you're going to go crazy. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.